the process of applying state nomination from Queensland, Australia for visa 190. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. If you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened Migration Queensland website. And if you go to skill program, we have information about subclass 190 and also for subclass 491. So for both of these subclasses, they have provided further divisions like graduates of Queensland University, those who are living in Queensland, those who are living offshore, and those who are small business owner operating regional Queensland. So for the purpose of this video, we'll go for living offshore. But again, based on your criteria, you need to select the link that is applicable to you. Okay. Now, eligibility criteria is very important. Okay. So for 190, because I was nominated by Victoria, so that process was slightly different. But overall points are same. Like you need to meet the criteria for both the state and for the central government. Okay, they call it Home Affairs. So 65 or higher, that is their criteria, including state nomination. That means without state nomination, you need 60 and 5 will go for nomination point. Positive skill assessment. Age, minimum English requirement of competent. That means IELTS 6. They do accept other exams as well. Okay. But now this is general criteria we know. What is the criteria for Queensland? You need to have score of 80 or higher for the 190 unless and 65 or higher for 491. Wow. This score is pretty high, honestly, guys. Have an occupation that stands on Queensland skill occupation list. Proficient English means minimum 7 and above. Have minimum 3 years of post-study work experience except otherwise specified. Okay, fine. Now let's go to the occupation list. Here it is. And these things keep on changing. Like right now it is showing this. In future it can change because they keep on changing it based on their requirements. For some occupations, they have special requirements also. Like if I go for IT occupations, yeah, post qualification work of minimum 5 years of work experience post qualification. Wow. But not for all, but for many, like popular, I would say, occupation. So this you can check. Now, step one, okay. Review the criteria, okay. All right. Submit an expression of interview skills. Select only those that select Queensland and their nominating state will be selected. Yeah, this is what I have told in other videos also. Like some states are okay with selecting them and others, but some states only want themselves. So you need to select if you want to go to Queensland. Once you do that, they will assess, and if you get an invitation, and then you can apply to Queensland first. Okay. They will ask you to provide requirement documents, pay a fee, but fee only after you are invited. Don't get scammed by fake migration agents. So fee only if you are invited. And this fee will go to Queensland. Okay. And they will finalize 14 days. Once they finalize and they approve you, you will get an invitation from Home Affairs and you can apply over there. Well, for Victoria, when I had applied years ago, there was no fee, but I'm not sure about now. And then it went through. So this is how it works, guys. And if everything is fine, you will get your call and things will be fine. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.